Hi there, Yevhen here from a Canadian company Appliance Service Guys. Let's go! Canadian city of Winnipeg, West End area. Frigidaire stove broken timer prevents the oven from working. Don't worry, we will fix it together in 2 minutes. But first, I advise you to click the subscribe button on Appliance Fix Lab right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance and repair of appliances. Reason for service call. The broken timer prevents the oven from working. In this Frigidaire stove, oven operation is controlled by the oven switch and the mechanical clock timer. The timer is broken and the oven in the stove is not working. The owner of the stove was faced with the problem of finding a spare part. The timer was not available anywhere and was no longer available. Therefore, it was decided to exclude the timer from the oven operation circuit. I start by inspecting all the components of the Frigidaire stove. I remove the protective elements of the stove body and carry out a visual inspection. Using a multimeter, I check the operating parameters of all elements of the electric stove. I found several blown fuses. I am changing them. I check the serviceability of the stove switch and heating elements. Everything is fine. I figuring out the mechanical timer and making a plan to exclude it from the oven's operating circuit. I carry out the necessary tests and measurements. After studying the principles of operation of a mechanical timer, I made changes that allowed me to exclude the mechanical clock timer from the oven operation circuit. Thoroughly tested the performance of the stove and oven in all modes. Success! The Frigidaire cooker works great in all modes and is ready for further use. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.